Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I'll be sharing the information about some of the very important points with all of you, which will be helping you to qualify the upcoming CSIR Net exam and even will be helpful to qualify the other similar exams like GATE, JES, TIFR and all other exams. So we will be talking about all these important targets which you need to achieve when you are doing the preparation for the upcoming exam. And now, since it has been declared that the exam can be in September, means you are having approximately 2 months remaining in the exam. So in these 2 months, what you need to plan and what other targets you have to make for yourself, I'm going to talk about that, which will surely be helping you to achieve your main goal or the target, which is to qualify the exam with good marks. So let's start the discussion. But before that, let me just quickly share one more important update and the information which can be helpful for all of you to do the best preparation and very good preparation for the upcoming exam under the guidance of top educators. So basically guys, if I'm going to talk about the latest offer which is going on Unacademy right now for the upcoming CSIR Net exam preparation, as per this offer, you will be able to get the 20% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount if you will use and apply the referral code that's Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. So if you will be using and applying this referral code, you will be able to get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount. Also, one more thing here I would like to tell you, that is the offer is just valid from 27th June to 30th June. So it's a offer which is just for the limited period or limited time. So if you want to grab this offer and you want to get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount, you can take the subscription today. Also guys, one more thing, in upcoming days, many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy, which will surely be helping you to do the best preparation as well as to know about important tricks, concepts, right approach to solve the questions, and in very less time you will be able to cover up many important points, many important topics and many subjects with the help of or under the guidance of the top educators we are having on Unacademy for your upcoming exam preparation. After taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes of well-structured and well-planned courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy. Now, whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code that's Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen and get the 20% discount in the total subscription amount. Now let's talk about some of the more important things here. For example, if you want to know that what are the benefits you will be getting or what are the features we are having for the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, so you can clearly have a look at this slide which will be providing you the information about the Plus or the Iconic subscription. So if you will be taking the Plus subscription, the first 4 benefits or the features are there in the Plus subscription which you will get, and in the Iconic all mentioned points are there. Okay, these are the features of the Iconic subscription. So I hope it's getting clear to all of you guys. In case if there is any doubt or difficulty you will have, you can let me know about it. Here one more slide you can see where for Iconic and for Plus what are the different duration subscriptions available. You can even check them in the Unacademy learning app, but I hope with this slide also you will be able to get the great information about it and it will be helping you too. Okay guys, so if you want to grab this offer and you don't want to miss it, you can take the subscription today. Now let's talk about the important targets which you need to make or you have to make if you want to do good in the upcoming exam, or you want to score good marks in the exam, you want to qualify the exam with the good marks. So let's talk about these targets which you have to make. The first thing is the most common question which many students ask, okay, that is, do we need to cover up all subjects or can we do good in the exam by covering just few of them? So the answer is, make the target for completing not exactly 100%. If you can't do it 100%, you can do 70%, 80% of the preparation for those subjects which you find difficult or you find like it's too much time taking for you. So at least some important portion or most of the important and most important topics, try to cover them up. Don't leave any subject completely. So this is how you have to make the target of knowing about the important topics or most of the topics of all the 9 subjects which we are having in the physical science, or for whatever stream you are doing the preparation. I hope it will be helping you, and that's your first target you have to set, so that you will not have to ask this question to any other person or to anybody else. Okay, so you have to make the target of completing all the 9 subjects plus one more, which is the aptitude, reasoning and all that. Okay, so that is for the part 1, like part A of the question paper. Clear? Plus 1, that's the aptitude section. You are not going to miss it. You will also be focusing on that part. I hope you got that. This is your first target, and how you have to cover it up, I have already told you. The second target you will have to make is that every day for at least 30 minutes, you need to do the PYQs, okay, of part A. That means previous year questions of part A. Clear? So that's important for you, but because it happens many times that students start missing this part or don't work on it, so you don't need to do that mistake. You need to make this target as well till your exam. Okay, so you will be doing it regularly. Your third important target which you have to make and which will be helping you, okay, to score good marks and to do the best preparation, that is to maintain or to make your success notebook or the formula notebook, whatever you want to call it, along with the practice notebook. Now, what will be there in the success notebook or what will be there in the practice notebook, I'll be explaining it to you. So you have to make your success notebook as well as you have to maintain a practice notebook. Okay, that's what you have to do. Practice notebook. So we can take it like the one single point, okay, you can consider them together. Now, what will be there in the success notebook? Let me just tell you quickly. So in the success notebook or the formula notebook, you will be noting down important points, facts, concepts, tricks, or any important point related to a topic. You have to note it down there, but only those things you will note down which you think are important for you or which you think is important for the upcoming exam. Don't miss any such point there. And also you need to take a register having the enough number of pages in it. Along with that, what you have to do next, you have to take like first 30 to 40 pages for one subject, next 30 to 40 pages for another subject, then next for another. And if you are having some sticky notes with you, or if you are not having the sticky notes, just take some sheet, okay, fold it in such a way that you will be making this much, like this much size paper, okay, or a sheet, or the like something from a paper. You will just cut this much portion and so many of that, so that you will be able to stick it on the top of the page from where a new subject is going to start. For example, firstly mathematical physics, so just paste it there on top, so that even when your register will be closed, okay, you will be able to read it that from here the mathematical physics is starting, from here the quantum is starting, from here the classical is starting. So those sticky notes you can put there, so that it will be saving your time if you want to read a particular subject at a time, or you just want to go through that point, okay, you will be able to check it out. I hope it's gonna be helpful. Now, in the practice notebook, what you have to do, you just need to note down the PYQs or any of the questions you are practicing where you are going to find some difficulty, whether in the calculation part, whether in the concept, or in doing the question, or anything, any mistake you are making, you find something difficult, note down that question in your practice notebook. Also, like there, along with the answer part, make a note, okay, exactly the note you have to make there, where you have to note down this thing, that what are the mistakes you are gonna make when you were solving that question, so that when you will be going through that notebook later on, you will be able to find it, that what are the mistakes you are making and where you have to work more. And this is how you will be able to work on your mistakes, and this is how you will be improving every day. Okay, so this is how it will be helpful. So these two notebooks you just need to make. Now the next thing is that's gonna be, you have to do the regular revision of your success or the formula notebook. Okay, regular revision means every single day. Even if the 100 pages notes are there, you have to revise them regularly. If the 50 pages notes are there, you have to revise them regularly. So depending on how many subjects you have covered, how many topics you have covered, what are the important subjects you have covered, like everything related to that, whatever you will be noting down in your success notebook should be most important part or something you want to revise regularly. There should not be anything extra in it, okay? So when you are noting down something there, just be careful that it's important and it's what will be helping you to solve the questions. Clear? So you have to do the regular revision of it. Initially, it may be taking some time to revise those many number of pages or that much information which you have noted down there. But again, later on, after few days, you will find it's just few minutes task for you, okay? And it will be very much helpful for you. So this is your next target, that you have to do the regular revision. And the last one I want to tell you here is that the time management part. Along with all these points, you also have to learn to manage the time, okay? Means once you will be mastering all these things, or you will be working on them regularly till your exam time, you will find a great difference in your preparation, in your confidence, okay? That will help you to do good in the exam, because already you will be familiar with so many things and which will be helping you to score good marks, along with doing many number of questions in the exam, okay? Now, one more thing in the time management part, you have to work on this thing, that how much time you are devoting to solve a question, okay? Along with that, where you are devoting your time, if there is any subject you need to complete or cover up right now, how much time in a day you are going to devote for it. So everywhere, wherever the time management is needed, you have to work on all these things, because in these 2 months you have to do the best preparation. Other than that, in those 3 hours of the exam, you have to give your best. So you have to keep everything in mind, that how you can get 100% output of these 2 months as well as from those 3 hours. So you have to get ready in this way. If you are going to focus on these points and you are going to set your targets, like if I'm going to take them as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 targets if you're gonna set, okay, and you are gonna follow or you are gonna achieve them time to time, you will be able to do very good in the upcoming exam. While we are focusing on PYQs with the help of practice notebook, we are focusing on facts, concepts and many things with the help of success notebook, and all the other things are surely gonna be helpful. So I hope guys you are gonna find this video helpful and beneficial for yourself. If yes, you can share it with your other friends too, those who are like going to prepare for the upcoming CSR NET exam, GATE exam, JIST, TFR or any other similar exam. Okay, you can share this video with them as well. I hope it will be helpful for them too. And in case if you are gonna have any questions, any queries, anything you want to ask, you can let me know about it. And all these targets will surely be helping you to do good in the upcoming exam and to qualify the upcoming exam. So set these 5 targets today and keep on achieving them, okay? Work for them, and you will be able to see that your results for CSR NET exam will be very good, okay? So thank you so much everyone for joining this session or for watching this video till the end. One more thing, if you want to attend the well-structured and well-planned courses sessions by the top educators and you don't want to miss them, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription. Along with that, since right now you will be getting the 20% discount in the total subscription amount if you will take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, then you can use and apply this referral code, that's Anjali A Live, to get the 20% discount, okay, in the total subscription amount. And take your subscription today, as in upcoming days many new courses will also be starting, and just in the remaining time before the exam you will be able to do the very good preparation under the guidance of top educators. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.